Hello. Hi. How are you? Yes. Ready for today's Shaktipat? Yes. Today I will not talk. I will not talk to you much. I will be giving you Shaktipat, and mainly it is to move your Kundalini. Okay. So you will be in Kunda breathing position when I start it, and initially you will have some consciousness. Initially, we will be listening to my voice. Throughout the session, sometimes I will speak, sometimes I will not speak. But you don't have to remain alert. You just need to let go of 1 hour of Shaktipat is mainly to move your Kundalini, to unblock your sex centers. So whatever I'm talking is actually due to the energy transmission, and you just don't need to follow any instructions. So there is possibility that you will go into trance, you will go into a different dimension. All this will happen. I know it, but you have to allow it. So you don't have to remain alert. So you will cover your head, you will cover your eyes, and with blanket, you will put a blanket on your body, and you will maybe in few seconds or few minutes you will be gone into trance. So allow it to happen. After 1 hour, whenever you get up, means the session will be over from me. Whenever you get up, you will feel heavy in your body, and during that time you don't need to get up immediately. You just first need to shake your body a little bit, come back to senses, then put hands on your heart chakra slowly. And if I feel that during the session I need to do that act, then I will guide you for that also at the end of the session. But if I feel that you need more time for integration, then whenever after my session also, maybe after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you get up, that time you do this, and then slowly get up. And whatever is the whatever happened after that, you need to give me the feedback, so that I just will know what exactly happened with today's Shaktipat, and then I will guide you for next course of action. Means hereafter, how I'm going to take your case, means how I'm going to take you towards freedom. So worldly things are done in your case. Worldly things, there is nothing much left. But mainly your sex centers are blocked. And I need to ask you before I start the session, uh, how is your sex relationship? Means how is your sexual relationship with your partner? Means your husband. When did you last had? Okay. Yes. Last time. Yes. Okay, so is there any possibility that if you start feeling sexual again, or to have an means any interaction with him physically, is it possible? Hmm. Yes. Okay. So just I want to know that when the Kundalini awakening part happened, was that you were into a sexual intercourse with him, or that time it happened, or it has nothing to do with the means sexual activity? Hmm. So, hmm, yes, all right, yes, all right. We will keep it aside that part. I will make sure that that aspect is kept aside, and later I have a solution for you, which I will discuss right now. Means you don't have to implement it immediately, but lie down. Yes, yes. Sweet dreams. Yes, very good. I'm liking your changed, happy attitude. Are you comfortable on the mat or you'll comfortable on the bed? Because you have to lie down for 1 hour. Okay. Yes. It is ground. Correct, correct. It is grounding. Yes, yes. Good. So, first 5 minutes, I will be making you do the trauma release. In this trauma release, what you need to do is you have to focus on your pelvic region and yes, and whatever blockages or whatever suppression you had trauma in your past connected to sexual intercourse or any emotional intercourse, emotional roller coaster ride with your partner, with your husband, or anyone. You have to feel it completely right now and release it with mouth exhalation continuously by, yes, feeling it. Feel it completely first. Feel that energy of suppression, non acceptance, or whatever emotional rides you have experienced at different times in your life. If you feel like crying, you have to cry, but you have to release that energy from your system by exhaling it continuously. You can make sound like ha, like this, ha, like a kind of relaxation. Ah. If you feel like moaning or taking out painful sound that relaxes you, ah, a little louder sound will also do. Ah, like this. Yes, it is making you laugh. This means you are becoming lighter. Release is happening. Yeah. Yes. Good. You are doing good. Feel the tension and now release it by continuous doing blow exhalation like this. Yes. Keep doing it till you become extremely tired. Yes. Relax now. And my question to you is, do you feel any sexual urges or that energy is transmuted in you? Since you have already given birth to children and all the transformation has happened in you. So, do you feel any urges or it is just you don't even feel sex urges in your body? Hmm. Yes. Good. Very good. No, if you are sexy, means if you feel sexy, then there are many possibilities of changes in you. This means it need not have to be directly now connected to sexual intercourse, but yes, I can transmute that energy towards creativity. So there are two ways to transmute that energy. One is through kunda breathing. If you keep doing kunda breathing and the pelvic breathing that I have taught you, then these energy will be transmuted into life. So your life's that episode is over by now. So let's see what happens. Your destiny and universe has planned for you. But right now, you need to feel any blockages if you have left in your body and do it with exhalation. Keep doing continuous exhalation and let go of everything that has been holding you back. I will be counting backward from 100 to 1, and that counting you don't have to listen. You just focus on feeling your body completely. As you do this exhalation, do you feel any relaxation happening? Yes. So try to completely let go of everything. Let go of everything. Relax as much as possible. I will be counting backward from 100, 99 like this. Your focus should be on the breathing. You exhale with Om and take out sound of Om as you exhale. And I will start the counting from 100 backward, and slowly, slowly. If you get tired, then you will go into sleep, and that way I will come to know that you are deep inside. So start doing. Ready, steady, start. Om. 100. Om. 99. Om. 98. Om. 97. Om. 96. Om. 95. Slowly observe the changes in your brain waves. You must be feeling some vibration or cooling sensation or just movement of energy around your head. If you're feeling so, this indicates that your brain waves are changing. Continue doing it. It's 93 now. 92. Om. 91. Om. 90. Om. 89. Om. 88. 87. Now, slowly, 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 I will not speak, I will just observe, and I will be energizing you so that you can go inside